since the dawn of man. If it had been built, it had to be maintained. Throughout time, maintenance practitioners armed with ingenuity and their tools kept the world around them running. They overcame the effects of time, weather, and repeated use to ensure that structures and machines could continue to be used over time. Experience, craftsmanship, and skills acquired through apprenticeship and passed down from generation to generation. This was the history of the maintenance practitioner. Since those early days, we invested in this human asset, in their training and development. We armed them with evolving tools and technologies, allowing them to do their work more effectively and efficiently. This investment in upskilling and equipping yielded rewarding benefits. It reaped longer asset life, quicker work, and lower maintenance costs, creating value for all. For businesses, maintenance meant continuity, reliability, safety, and resilience. To humans, it meant elevated skills, competencies, diversity, and ingenuity. And to mankind, maintenance meant prosperity. This story is continuing to unfold. Maintenance is progressing further, hand in hand with the revolution in technologies around us. These technologies are even more advanced than those available in the past. They are smart, connected, analytical, robotic, and automated. They are data-driven, enabling organizations to see tangible, real-world benefits in details, opening limitless doors of opportunities. Opportunities for work to be accurate, quick, and economical. Opportunities for people to be diverse, informed, and savvy. With these advanced technologies and deep insights, the impact of maintenance will be even greater than before, reaping ever-increasing benefits. The future of maintenance is bright, and we are here to define it. It is growing, it is exciting, and it is here. Welcome to the future of maintenance. Welcome to MAINTCON 2022.